Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Quick reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 230. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 5 here, so this is our 2, 7 here, so 5, 7. If we look at this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here and a 3 here, so this is our 2. 2 and 3 here, so this is our 1, 3. For this column, we're only missing a 1. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this row now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.